Okay, breaking news! The Oregon Trail has become very popular. We are interviewing one traveler right now. Come on down, Ashley.
Hello.
So Ashley has decided to bring three
Conestoga wagons. And
wagons and one prairie. Is it schooner?
yes.
Okay. So why did you make this decision?
Well, me and the group made this decision because Conestoga wagons, they can carry about 6 tons, and for 24 people, we have a lot of stuff and food and things we're going to need to bring since it's going to take about 8 months to get to where we're going. And the prairie schooner can be fast and it has a roof, so when it rains, it's good. It's waterproof.
Nothing gets wet, right? Okay,
And it
so
can make
what animals do you plan to bring?
So we planned to bring a few animals, and those animals, we brought 3 cows, 4 steers, 8 pigs, and 9 chickens.
So I don't want to make this too long, but why do you pick these animals?
We picked these animals because, first of all, for the chickens we can get eggs and a few other things chicken. 8 pigs, just kind of for the poor. 4 steers because they have meat that we can eat, and then 3 cows because we get milk from them, and then we can, using that expired milk, we can make butter. So, which is a great.
So that's a nice decision. I mean, if you can't drink the milk, just let it expire, I guess, and then churn it so you can get butter.
And from the movement, it churns it, so then you don't actually need to churn.
So what are some of the things that you plan to bring? I know you're gonna bring a lot. Say more of the main things.
Well, we brought tons of food, tons of water, some fruit, tons of meat, beans, chicken, eggs, bacon, like I said, tons of water, dried fruit. More water. We brought lots of water, but we kind of tried to separate all of these different items into our 3 Conestoga wagons and then our prairie schooner. And then spices.
So some of the things. Did you bring any blankets or tents so you could sleep?
We brought 12 tents, and I think we brought 24 blankets and about 12
That's good to know, so you can have a good sleeping, so you don't
so we don't get cold.
Yeah, or something like that, or can't sleep at all because you don't have a tent, and so you have to sleep on the grass, which won't be comfortable. So I know you brought some probably utensils. Is that correct?
Yes, we brought some forks, knives, spoons. We brought some. We brought tons. We brought some pots and pans, and also a cooking for when we make a fire. We just brought cooking utensils.
Well, that's good to know that you guys did some great decisions, with the water, all the food, tents.
Yes. We don't know if some of these decisions could be bad. Some could be great. Some could be really, really bad. But hopefully more good than bad.
Did you bring anything for your wagons, like spare tires, or?
Yes, we brought some spare tires. We brought some grease for the tires, and we brought, that's what we brought for the tires. And then we brought also, this is kind of go with the wagon, we bought this oil that would go on top so it stays waterproof.
Well, obviously you've made some great decisions. Do you think you can make the journey?
I think that we will. Hopefully, we do. We brought tons of stuff. I think we had very little gold left over that we found, and hopefully that will last us through the trip. Maybe it won't, maybe it will, but we brought lots of food, so hopefully that goes all good. And we brought animals, so hopefully everything goes as planned.
Okay, so is that everything? Oh yeah. What animals do you want to pull your wagon in? How many do you want?
We chose, well, since we had 4 wagons, we chose 4 oxen per wagon because they are very, very strong instead of horses and mules. But that's why we tried to put our stuff, like disperse them, our supplies, so then the mule or the oxen don't get like tired and.
So like, why didn't you pick some of the other animals like mules or horses? Like, how do they compare to
We were
oxen?
gonna choose mules and oxen, but then we realized that the mules are faster, and then it would go off weight. And the oxen or the mules and the horses don't they're not as strong. And we were researching some things. Everything said that the oxen were way better, so we chose that because they're way stronger.
Hold on, that's just a microphone
Difficulty.
Okay, we're back. So that's why they picked some oxen. Is there anything else you would like to say?
Well, we brought some things like tools and like some of the. If you were wondering, like some other things we brought things like tools, wood, gunpowder, guns, fire tools to make fires. We also brought flint and steel, which will be very, very good.
Well, let me just stop you there. Why do you need guns? Why do you think you need them?
Just in case Native Americans attack us, and hopefully they don't. Hopefully it goes well.
So, why do you want to go to the west?
Because we are farmers and we're better landed, and we want manifest destiny, which means that America owns all the land, or we own all the land, which is what we want.
So I'm guessing you're going to you're not going like to California to go to the gold, then go to Oregon. You're just going straight to Oregon without you don't want any gold or anything?
Well, we found a big bag of gold right when we got there, but we basically used everything up, so we don't really have much left over. But we're just going on the Oregon Trail and going that way instead of going to the Gold Rush or going on some of the other trails there. Plus, it's the safest and most successful. So.
Okay, I hope you have a safe journey. So, that's all, folks. Right?
Thank you for having me.
Okay.